Listen, yeah, this is just one of those times where I just got to rant. Yeah, listen, it's crypto crazy. Now, when it comes to whales, like, do you know, I'm not gonna lie, I love like the crypto influencers, I love the graph, I love the Fibonacci analysis lines, I love it all, but when all is said and done, I just gotta call the bluff for a moment, yeah, because there's bare crypto gurus out there, yeah, and they all claim to be, you know, some kind of have some immaculate insight when they do all their analysis and whatnot. And don't get me wrong, some of them are like bona fide geniuses. Some of them are just intelligent, and some of them are doing wonderful things. But my issue is that most of them are right. Uh, when all is said and done, I think how do I put it? I think there's probably like two types of people that really get to me. I guess there's the early birds, the people that essentially they made a killing off crypto. Everyone's idolizing them, and to be honest, they look good. They've done their thing, but the issue is the only reason you're doing good is because you made a killing, because you started early. Like, even if you started as early as July, as late as July, BTC was under $2,000 in July. It hadn't even hit the almost $20,000 in that bull run in December. It didn't matter what you did between July and later on. You were gonna make money. Like, you were gonna make money. You can talk about your downwards wedges and all that kind of stuff, but when all is said and done, you were gonna make money. Yeah. And if you got in earlier, like literally, altcoins had like the thing is, altcoins were growing tens, if not hundreds of times faster than Bitcoin. So literally, if you put your coin in one altcoin, you could have come out with about 100 to 1,000 times what you initially put in. That's crazy. So it doesn't need to be that you did fantastic in terms of what you actually decided to put your money in. It's just that you got in early. And then you've got the other kind of people, who are like big time influencers, man, who have over 100,000 followers on Twitter, and then all they do is they buy something, they buy a particular coin, then they go on Twitter and say, oh, this coin looks like it's going to pump. The moment they say that, 10 minutes later, they're there saying, oh, look, we're already up 10%, 15, 20% on entrance. But the reason is because you have 200,000 people on Twitter who just went and bum rushed the coin because you've just said you put money in it and it's a good buy. Like, obviously, you're just leading a mini pump and dump, even if that's not what you want to call it. You have the same thing happening with Discord groups and various other things. So it's not that you're doing anything spectacular in terms of your analysis, as much as you can try and cover it up like you are. But really, when all is said and done, you've just bought, you've just got a big following. So, that's the conclusion, isn't it? Like, take care, guys, take care, girls. You know what? It's a jungle out there. The market's small, it can still be manipulated, people can still be led to FOMO and buy in and then get sold at the peak as soon as the influencer is ready to sell. That kind of stuff happens. Just play it cool, don't get sucked in. That's all I'm trying to say in it. That's my little rant for today. This is Crypto Crazy. Listen.